It's Starrylock. If you're new here, welcome. To your regular, welcome back. I have 2 pieces of mail. To open today. Unfortunately, one of the 2 pieces of mail has a message. We sincerely regret the damage to your mail during handling by the Postal Service. We hope this incident did not inconvenience you. We realize that your mail is important to you and you have every right to expect it to be delivered in good condition. Although every effort was made to prevent damage to the mail, actually this will occur because of great volume handled and the rapid processing method which must be employed to ensure the most expeditious distribution possible. We hope you understand. We assume that we are striving to improve our processing methods in order that even a rare occurrence may be eliminated. Please accept our apologies. Sincerely, your postmaster. Not the thing you want to see in the post box when you get an envelope. I won't go too far up, just far enough that you can see that this is my winnings from Lockpicking Cuber. His address is in this area, so I'll leave that hidden. The entire top of the envelope ripped open in shipping. And almost right in there as well. The bubble wrap is still in place on the inside for that spot. And all that got here was his card. Thank you for entering my giveaway. Congratulations on winning a prize, the Lockpicking Cuber. And unfortunately, the Postal Service has eaten my winning prize, so there will be a link down below for the Lockpicking Cuber's channel. Go check him out if you enjoy Rubik's Cubes and other puzzles as well as locks. There is another prize winning that I received, which is from AZ MORT Squad. They are a magnet fishing family from Arizona, which you might have guessed if you're from the US and recognized AZ. And I won a giveaway that he held because of them reaching 500 subscribers. And he ordered this directly from Brute, and I received it here from Brute. As Brute provided free shipping, it made more sense than him having it delivered to him for free and then him having to pay to ship it here. So there is the standard thank you and use and care. There will be a link down below for AZ MORT Squad. If you have not already, check them out. Use that link to go check out his channel. And if you like what you see, make sure you subscribe. So, as you saw from the box, this is called the Brute Box Junior. The other side of the box, we learned that this is a Brute Junior 300 pound with carabiner and thread locker. And opening it up, here There is your carabiner. There is your rope. There is your thread locker. And finally, here is the little 300-pound magnet. Still not a plaything, even though it is small, because you could hurt yourself badly if you go and get yourself pinched by it. So that is what I have for mail for today. I'm going to post this both on Starry's Lost and Found and on my main channel. Although Starry Lost and Found is slowly becoming my main channel, as I've been more into magnet fishing than I have been into lock picking, but I'll keep doing these shout out Mondays on Starrylock and these shout out Tuesdays on Starry's Lost and Found. I plan on trying to find a day this weekend where I can get out and check out this new magnet from AZ MORT Squad. And that is all I have, so take care, and we will see you soon.